my guest bag. It's raining in the winter. Today is the first day they are having Fratelli in Italy. And we are already here for breakfast. And it's raining.
Madonna, è bellissimo.
Okay. Did you start the video?
Yes.
Cazzo, il 13.
Vediamo quello mio.
Ma che ti frega? E costa 5,29, ti che sono 30 euro.
We are in Chinese restaurant whereby you can, okay, thank you. Just real quickly, you can choose what you want. And so you eat whatever you want. It's a buffet to say. And after here you say send. I will choose again. They brought this dish. The cow said on. I'm seeing too much light.
Come on. For the pizza.
This one I did not order. We are heading to the fashion village. They are actually called outlets so that I can see if I will find something to buy. If I happen to find something, I will let you know. You will see it in this video.
Pizza.
Good go.
What? Tramezzi sandwich? Sandwich. Hamburger. Pizza, piadina.
Which one do you want? Come for a vacation, you can also shop. I have just returned from Fashion Village, but Fashion Village, they have branded clothes. That's why I bought only two jeans from Armani Exchange, and the normal price actually it used to be 150, and I bought it on special. And I also bought my guest bag. I also bought it on special, but it used to be over 2,000, and the shoes almost 4,000, but still I bought them on special. All my two jeans are having the same prices and the shoes, but one bag is for my friend and it's not here. So prices of things in Italy for me are horrible. I did not find something beautiful for less than 1,000, or maybe I did not go to supermarkets or to the shops that are selling things that are less than 1,000, the normal one, because I only went to branded stores. I hope you are enjoying this video. So we have just returned from there, and in a few days I'm leaving Italy, but it's just in the same video. I hope up to now you are enjoying this. I'm just approaching Venice Airport, and we are looking for parking. Written here, just going in the airport. But is this a VIP or this is drop off?
This is no, it's just a taxi.
Oh, but they are black, only black.
See, because it's just private transport.
You can see that is beautiful.
See?
Christmas tree and Venice
Nice.
airport. This airport is empty. You see? We are not taking time.
Eh?
It's empty. We don't have a lot of people.
And I don't depend on that.
Ah. This is Venice airport. And I'm done checking in. Now I'm in Venice airport and I'm done checking in. I just waiting to go to the control point so that I can go to Frankfurt, Germany. But here the process was so kind and people are so sweet. I found a really lovely woman. And I was supposed to have only 23 kgs, but I'm having 26 kgs. But now I have given on my carry-on and they balanced everything. The kgs that I have is 33 kgs. And I like their water drop. And let us go to Germany. I hope you will enjoy this video. It's going to be a short video, by the way. I'm not going to make a long video. And I will also show you Venice airport in Italy. And I hope you are going to enjoy it. The other time I was so rushing, I did not really take a nice video because I was tired. Let us go. Now we are boarding, going to Germany.
Eine vorgegebene Startzeit bekommen haben. Nicht so schlimm heute nach der Start. Not permitted.
nun von Ihnen. Wir wünschen Ihnen noch einen angenehmen Tag in Frankfurt oder aber auch eine schöne und gerne Weiterreise. Vielen Dank, dass Sie Gäste von Lufthansa Airlines waren und auf Wiedersehen. Welcome to Frankfurt Airport. Please remember to keep your seatbelt fastened until we have reached the parking center and the fasten seatbelt sign. Now a pleasant remaining day here in Frankfurt am Main and a safe and welcome journey. Thank you again. Bye bye and auf Wiedersehen. 8:36.
Amarola. I'm going at sea. I check in, then I started to do shopping. I want to see what I can buy here. I feel like I can see here. The check-in. Once you come in, you don't get out, and this is duty free. So I am in. I ended up buying my perfume, Burberry, and here I don't know if you can see it properly, but it's duty free. I bought it for 2,500 Namibian dollars, while in Namibia it's 3,000. So just to let you know that things are not that cheap here, but they said some things in Namibia, some perfumes in Namibia are cheaper than here. But yes, I was there checking the prices in Namibia, then I returned back, and now I have only 1 hour 30 minutes before I departure. So I'm going to pass the security control, then I will go to the other shops on the other side.
It's almost like behind the partition wall, Hartman only. Thank you for your cooperation.
Bye, Germany.
It's not allowed in here. It's not allowed, but you have to. So
Thank you for watching. We have arrived in Namibia with the Discovery. My friend came to pick me up and she looked hot. Hello, YouTube. Ewa. Enggak. Nanda mononale. No, yo te digo.